Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some simple questions on mobile phone, right? How often do you use your cell phone?
I usually use my cell phone whenever I get leisure time. Usually, I have not that much time to
I don't
use.
have that much
I
time.
don't. I don't have that much time to use cell phone because I am very busy in my daily routine. I used to do home chores.
I do.
I u-
I do household chores.
I do house whole chores. That's why I have less time to use cell phone.
Okay, that's good. Overall, it is fine. Just try to conclude your answer at the end. Uh, all right. Can you describe your mobile phone?
Uh, I have a mobile phone that is by by design that is in color of black and white, and it is the brand of Samsung. And I don't know enough much about my cell
I
phone.
don't know more about
More
my
about.
cell phone. Okay, just try to, at the moment you're making simple sentences. Very simple. One sentence, then another. Try to connect your ideas together. We call them compound sentences. Okay? All right, let's go on. What was your first mobile phone?
My first mobile phone was a Nokia cell phone. That was not a smartphone. That was a simple phone with buttons, and we cannot use that mobile to communicate with video
We
calls.
could not use.
We could not use to do video calls because it's don't have the camera. It's just we can use for texting and
All
calling.
right. So you belong to that old times, huh?
Yes.
I understand now. Okay, just joking, right? All right. So overall, it's fine. Try to connect your ideas and try to gather your ideas together. I mean, there should be one answer of 5, 6 sentences, and all the sentences should be mingled and linked together. That is what you are missing. You are making separate sentences. Instead of that, connect your ideas. Okay. Now let's move on. Do you use internet very much?
Yes, definitely. I use internet on the daily basis, as I have to search on something like as I am a homestay lady, so I have to do something like when I have to cook something special for my family member, I just scroll down or search on the internet and take out some recipes and then practice it.
All right. So I'm a stay-at-home lady, not homestay lady. Stay-at-home
Okay,
lady.
stay at-
All right. Let's go on. Just try to connect your ideas and try to summarize your ideas and link them with the main topic. And the main topic is use of internet. Okay. Now, when was the first time you used the internet?
Well, it was about बहुत पुरानी बात है.
It's a long time ago. I used to be very small.
Well, it's a long time ago when I was in when I was doing my BSc. At that time, the technology just famous in sorry.
Okay,
Say
at
the
that time, internet started to become popular, and I also got internet connection, and I was really surprised to use the internet. So I remember when I was in BSc, at that time, I used the internet for the first time. They will not ask you exactly. Okay, so you can say Manikki ji hundi, something like that, whatever you want to say, no problem, right? Just create a little story. I remember when I was at school, I used to use internet. My friends introduced me to internet and they showed me about internet, and I was literally amazed to see the internet, something like that, okay? All right, let's go on. Is the internet very important to you?
In this modern era, yes, definitely, internet is very important for everyone because sometimes you have to connect your family members with who are far away from you. Just like my siblings, they are living abroad, so that's why I have to contact with them. Secondly, I have to search on mobile phone through internet, like I have to make some assignments, or nowadays I am doing IELTS, so I have to do some something with this stuff. So that's why yes, internet is very useful
Yeah,
for
internet is
everyone.
very useful for me, not
For me.
everyone. Just talk about yourself. And after one idea, you say that is why internet is crucial for me. Then talk about IELTS, and then say therefore internet has a great role in my life, in my studies. Use different words and try to link your answer with the main question, whatever the question is.
So मेरे साथ problem होता है
English,
मैं-
please.
Okay, I mostly forget the main topic and I.
You know why do you forget the main topic? Because you start your answer in a hurry. Second, you start your answer indirectly. That's why you forget the question. If you repeat the question in the first sentence, you will not forget it. For example, is the internet very important to you? Yes, I think internet has become an essential part of my life. When you say this, you have realized what the question is, and then you can go on and detail. Now, if, for example, is the internet very important to you? I usually communicate with my friends who live abroad, and I have to talk to them. And what was the question? See that? So if you start like this, then you forget the question, right? So just answer directly, and you'll be fine, right? Okay, thank you.